Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error code 004 on your Windows PC. This error can prevent the game from updating or launching correctly, but it can often be fixed by running the game as administrator and resetting your network settings. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type League of Legends. Right-click League of Legends and select Open File Location. When the folder opens, right-click the League of Legends shortcut and select Open File Location again. Now return to the Riot Games folder. Open the League of Legends folder. Then open the Game folder. Locate the League of Legends.exe file. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch League of Legends and check if error code 004 has been resolved. If the problem continues, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Open the Start menu and type Settings. Open the Settings application. Select Network and Internet. Then click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset now. Confirm the reset when Windows asks for permission. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and restore the network settings to their default configuration. Your computer may restart automatically, or Windows may ask you to restart it manually. After the restart, reconnect to your internet connection. Then open the Riot client and launch League of Legends again. That's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix League of Legends error code 004 and allow you to update or launch the game normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.